what's happening in Karnataka over a speculation around the Karnataka expansion, the cabinet expansion, that seems to be gathering pace with the Chief Minister D.K. Shivkumar that will be in the national capital to meet the leaders of the High Command. Now, the sources say that the Chief Minister will be spending a day in the national capital before returning to Bengaluru, after which further consultations are expected, and then on the proposed cabinet reshuffle and expansion, as the DKS's government is currently having around 14 ministers, including the Chief Minister against the sanctioned strength of 34, leaving several cabinet berths vacant. That seems to be the basic understanding, and thereafter, when it comes to several leaders within the Congress party as well, who had protested and demanded that a certain hierarchy and seniority that needs to be followed, as they believe that their work and their position has been overlooked by the current DKS Sarkar. Let's connect with Varshini on this, and because as far as these meetings are concerned, remains to be seen exactly who would be included, if at all, cabinet expansion talks that are going to take place between the Chief Minister and the party High Command. But this seems to be the reports that has now been coming across as far as when it comes to the cabinet expansion that is now expected to happen, and that has been gathering pace as the Chief Minister is visiting the national capital. Varshini, if you can hear me now, of course, there has been reports coming in from within the Congress camp suggesting that they were unhappy because they either believe that they have been left out or they have been overlooked or sidelined. Will they be now included?
Well, there has been a lot of differences between a lot of senior leaders in the KPCC, in fact, with regards to who would going to be, securing a cabinet berth. But right now, what we are seeing in Karnataka in the past few weeks has been extreme lobbying, with senior leaders taking forward these meetings, personally meeting D.K. Shivkumar or former Chief Minister Siddaramaiah or other Congress High Command leaders to secure a cabinet berth. And we have been witnessing all of this back and forth travel to Delhi also. And that is what right now is currently happening. And
yes, because several ministers themselves have also been voicing their protest against the portfolio allocation. So remains to be seen if that also happens, or that kind of a reshuffle, if that is impending as far as in the Karnataka cabinet. Thank you very much, Varshini, for joining us here on the broadcast. We're just going to head into a very short break, viewers. You're watching the Morning News Up.